I will show how to easily set up automatic investments with Vanguard Mutual Funds. Hey everyone, this is Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. To get started, go to the Vanguard website and log into your account. Click Transact, Recurring Transactions, Vanguard Mutual Funds. Select the account that you want to set up automatic investments for. In this example, I will use my Roth IRA. For this question, I would recommend most people choose the first option. That way, money is taken directly from your bank account instead of your Vanguard settlement fund. If you're setting up an automatic investment for a Roth IRA, just select your tax year here. Specify how often you want the automatic investment to run. In this case, I'll just do it once a month, so I'll select monthly and then just select the start date as today. In this step, just specify which Vanguard mutual fund that you want the automatic investment to purchase. Also, one thing to note is that you have to buy at least one share of the Vanguard mutual fund that you're trying to set up an automatic investment for. Because I bought one share of VT Sachs, that's why I see it here. So in this example, I'll just do $1 for my automatic investment. For this step, we just need to select the bank account where we want the money to be pulled from. In this example, I'll just use my Bank of America account. Select Review Order. This is what the confirmation screen looks like. Once you've confirmed all the info is correct, just click Agree and Submit. Now you've successfully set up an automatic investment for your Vanguard mutual funds. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you want to know how to set up automatic investments with Vanguard ETFs, click the video on your screen now.